Today's star of the shave is Ariana and Evan's Fig Violetta. Stay tuned for a golden shave. Hi, my name is Jason. You can find me on Instagram as the Golden Age Wet Shaver. Today I'm doing the Razor Company Shave and Chat. And today, the star of the shave is Ariana and Evan's Fig Violetta. I'm also using a GoodFellas Bayonetta brass razor with an Alysworth blade. And Alpha Shaveworks and Soap Company's brush with a synthetic knot, and you know me, my trusty TRC lather ball, and my bougie sprayer. Wow, I'm beginning to learn how to put things together that looks, that makes it authentic and it has that look. And I chose Ariana and Evan's Fig Viola because I wanted to paint a picture of me outside eating figs with a violet, because in Italian Violetta, I believe, is violet. It's you get that nice fig and violet scent. Oh man, my first time using this brush, I love it. It's like the synthetic knot is like almost like a natural. It absorbs all that beautiful lather and it feels soft. So I decided to I'm trying to look for the word. It'll pop up. I have to think of something else. But I wanted to put a feel and a look together like you're packing a picnic and you have some figs and some jam and some type of protein and you're going through a violet field. So I mixed a little bit of the yellowish and the green and the white. And it has like a little red popping out. Yeah, like the purple. So yeah. So how's everyone doing? Oh man. You can't go wrong with any Ariana and Evan's base. I just love it. And I just love how I'm maturing in not only sticking with gourmands, but it's kind of gourmandy, but more to the cologne side. I'm just really happy about life right now. Things are slowly coming together for me. Had a couple little hiccups here and there, but I'm pursuing, I'm pushing through. Some people say fake it until you make it. I don't want to fake it. I want to be authentic and genuine. I want to be genuine until I get it. I'll think of another expression. It'll probably come out of nowhere like, ooh. Oh my God, I feel like I'm in a violet field eating figs, having a little grape juice, because, I don't drink alcohol. Yeah. People know my story. But yeah. But it feels so good, and this brass handle, and it's like an Italian out in the country feel. I think my power off went, and in life things happen. Little miscues and mistakes. So hey, if this records, great. If not, it was a great shave. You can't let the little things, the little hiccups in life become a big downfall. I'm learning that more and more. Ooh, I just love this shave. Like, I really needed this shave. I felt like a little blah. Not down, but blah. Ooh, wow, already to the third pass? Wow, this boy is fast. Your guy Jason's fast. Yeah. Love this. Oh man. So yeah, I wanted to put a picture together. Like if I was taking a picture of the day of my shave, yeah, which I need to do more of, to express my artistic side. And like in everything in life is repetition, but being consistent. Oh my God, I can't tell you how much this smells so beautiful. I wish there was like a smell feature in on videos, but sometimes you don't want that. You don't know the background smell where the people are at. You don't want to be in a smelting factory and it's like, oh, it's a nice view, but it really smells smelting. Oh, yeah. Okay. My final pass. Oh, man, this is beautiful. Oh, man, let me see if I should... I don't know where my other... Push through the shave, my brother. Whoo, shababa. You hear that feedback? God willing, you're hearing that, yeah. It's an orchestra to me. It's like the angels are singing, but with the feedback. Okay, let me rinse off. And I can show off how I matched and stuff, and we got a little more shaven chat. Oh, man. Oh, no nicks or things so far. Like I said, practice and repetition. You do something over and over again. Supposedly it's like 10,000 hours. They say you become an expert in something, but I'm nowhere near 10,000 hours. But, you know, I with every shave I learn something. I'm improving. And that's how we should be in life. Learn something and improve on it. You know, don't master something just to master it. Master it because you love it. And it doesn't become something to master. Am I making sense or just talking gibberish? I love these wipes. I could stay focused on you and talk and I'm not interacting, but I want to do my best to have eye contact. So when you comment, like, share, ask a question, you feel like we're having a give and go. Oh. Let me get this beautiful splash. Shake it up. Oh. Maybe I should have opened it before because it was a little hard to open, but just good. It steals all these good skin food and juices. Oh, I'm being generous. Oh my god. You smell more the violet, in my personal opinion. Oh, no, it stings. Wow. You stayed to the end of this video. Thank you so much. Let me go through my lineup again. Of course, my bougie sprayer, you know. I talk about it. I got hooked on these bougie sprayers, different colors, different styles. This Alpha Shave works. This Alpha Shave brush and soap. Yeah, I finally speak. Brush with a synthetic knot. My reliable TRC lather bowl. This beautiful GoodFellas Bayonetta with a Alysworth blade, and of course the star of the shave is Ariana and Evan's Fig Violetta. Wow. Still give me a... You get everything. All the bloopers and all the mistakes and all that. So hey, if you have time, 9 a.m. Eastern time, Saturday, go to Instagram. Go to either the Razor Company or the Razor Company Live. Watch 4 great people talk about wet shaving life. It's meant for all ages. And for all your health and beauty needs, especially your shaving needs, go to therazorcompany.com. Wow. Again, thank you for staying to the end. Thank you for listening to this guy ramble on. And have a great life.